Welcome to Bad Food Blog, and look what I have today for lunch. This one's a really easy one. This is just Plant Pioneers. Grown delicious, no steak bake. Should be easy enough to eat. I think I'm just going to eat this one as it comes. Let's have a look. Fat content. It is 30% of your daily fat. 21 grams. 51% of your saturated fat. Hang on, this has no meat in it. Where's it getting all this fat from? It has 4% of your sugars and 23% of your salt. So not exactly healthy. See, something's made out of plants doesn't make it healthy. Let's see what it tastes like. Also, I'm going to have a look at the detailed ingredients on the back. How many... No. Protein. Doesn't list how much protein's in this. Maybe it's got none. No, nutritional information. Oh, protein, 6 grams. Okay. There we go. I'm not going to heat it up or anything. I'm just going to try it like this. Not bad. It actually does taste a bit like beef. That's quite nice. Mmm. 250 calories, so I'm going to have something else for lunch as well. Yep. $249. Give me the hiccups. Already? Wow. Well, I've got really bad hiccups now. I think next time I'm going to put it in the oven and see if it tastes better. It doesn't taste bad, but it's not good either. I'd say it's about on par with a, you know, like a steak bake from, what's that place? Ginster's. About the same as one of those. Oh. Please like and share the video. And if you're not a member, please consider subscribing. I'm surprised how good this one tastes. I was expecting this to taste bad. I'm always happy to be pleasantly surprised by a food. So definitely worth picking up if you see it and you fancy a snack and you want something that, whereas it isn't going to be any healthier than meat, judging by the outside of that packet, certainly going to have less calories. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.